Hi guys and assalamu alaikum. So guys, in today's vlog we've come to Coventry and we're checking out a place called Palm. It's based in Coventry. I've been there before, so I'm going to take you guys with me as well. So let's check it out, let's do this and hopefully get some tasty food. Here in Palm, and first of all I want to say the decor is out of this world. The lighting, everything is fantastic, and as you can see just behind me we got the palm trees. But yeah, I'm going for the T-bone steak, so I'm going to check out their T-bone steak today, see how it is and give it a taste check. I have had it in the past before, but it's been a long time, so let's see if the taste is the same as what it was before. T-bone steaks here and palm chips, and I just want to show you them first. So we're going to say Bismillah Rahman Rahim and we're going to go straight to this. I'm going to start with the palm chips. Absolutely love the sauce on top of it. Got your peppercorn sauce here as well for the steak. They're proper chunky chips as well. That's the T-bone steak, and I just want to show you it first. Wow, I got it well done and it tastes fantastic. Great combination with the peppercorn sauce as well. The sauce on top of these chips is so tasty. Wow. It's like sweet, but it's got a nice taste to it. The best place for steak. Definitely come down to Palm. It's a big T-bone steak as well, but it tastes so good. Fire. Literally like breaking the bone. Then when you put the peppercorn sauce on top, you can't say where the meat is. Guys, we're here in Moseley and I've come to Massage Lounge, and I've come to have some dessert here. Obviously I've had some amazing food earlier, so now it's time for dessert. Got my velvet cake with ice cream. I just want to show you it. And I've got strawberry milkshake. Just look at that. So we're going to test the strawberry milkshake first, so let's give it a shot. Wow. Tastes superb, so delicious. And it's got loads of strawberries on top as well. Wow. Now we're gonna go straight onto the red velvet cake. And first of all, look at this. Soft. So soft, so tasty, and you know what? One of my favorite cakes. Gotta get some ice cream in as well. Cake and ice cream, great combination. That's your strawberry ice cream. Wow. So nice. This place right here is my chill out place. It's actually so relaxing here as well. Just come here, get some cake, get some milkshake, even hot drinks as well. And they do your hot food as well. Nice. Day 2, and obviously I forgot to completely finish off my vlog yesterday, so I'm going to finish off my vlog today. So guys, first of all, I want to say Palm, absolutely mouth-watering steak. It was delicious. I really enjoyed it. The chunky chips as well, they were so tasty. I like the sauce on top of the chips. And straight onto my dessert, I love velvet cake. That was absolutely tasty. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. As well with your strawberry ice cream, it was a great combination. And obviously you had your strawberry milkshake as well, so yeah, it tasted so good. Yeah, I had an absolutely amazing time yesterday. I really enjoyed the decor in Palm as well. So make sure you guys check out Palm by H2O in Coventry. I'm telling you now, their steaks are 10 out of 10. They're absolutely amazing. Comment down below which steak place is the best. And I'm going to be checking out them steak places as well. Because obviously I do love my steak. And obviously it gives me some protein as well. I've just finished the gym, guys, as well. And obviously I've worked out. I've trained and I'm absolutely knackered now. But we've got a birthday meal to go to today as well. So I'm going to be going to the birthday meal. So yeah, thank you very much for supporting me and showing me a lot of love. So I'm going to finish my vlog off here. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys in the next vlog. Khuda Hafiz.